So my name is Anaïs Tondeur. I'm a French artist. Actually, I live in the forest in the south of Paris. Urban Petrichor, which is the installation presented as part of the Biennale, actually grows from a research protocol that is also presented in the research section of the Biennale. And this project was developed on the trace of a smell, the smell of the petrichor, which is a smell that we all know. Maybe we don't exactly know its name, but it relates to the smell of the soil after the rain. And usually we connect that smell rather to natural, the so-called natural environment. But still we can smell the petrichor in cities. So what does this smell actually tell about urban ecologies? And this is really much the question that was at the core of our protocol, which we opened to a large group of participants, around 100 inhabitants, gardeners, refugees, activists. And the idea was really much to turn our attention to soil, being guided by this specific smell of the soil after the rain. Indeed, this installation is composed of 72 files. Within each is presented a smell of the soil that we've been collecting. And actually, we've been collecting those soils onto one line. Scientists call them a transect. So you take one point, actually, on one side of the city, another point on the other side of the city. We draw a line, and every 200 meters, we then collect the soils. So I was considering ways to present also and share the protocol that led to the installation by giving a sense of this line. But instead of having a long line in the exhibition, I thought it was interesting to get this line to unravel and turn into this spiral. Here we have a view of the diversity of those soils that are either really organic, either really mineral, either really anthropogenic based. And actually some of the scientists were naming some of the soils as garbage soils from the English word garbage. I'm really interested to present this installation in Saudi Arabia and in this city, which presents itself as the city of Earth. So I'm really curious to observe and see how this installation can resonate to people here. Especially because what to me is really meaningful and crucial is to invite to reconsider the way we relate to the elements, to the earth, not so much as a background of our human life or as a resource, but rather consider the earth as this space of correspondences where all human lives are totally interdependent.